Hi guys, who wants to join me for a walk? Let's go. Sun is out, beautiful day. Sure, a bit windy, a little bit of clouds about, but it's too much wind, no chance of rain today. So let's go. Not a single animal in sight yet, but I'm sure we will find some along the way. Let's go hunting for some wildlife. The hall, and there's the chapel. Get to see more of it now. Sorry about that. There's usually some wildlife here, but so far nothing. We have to keep hunting. This is not a walking trail I'm on the cycling trail, part of it. We have some guinea fowl. Just a few there. Finally to see some lonely blessbok here. And up there, some springbok. The one on the screen now is a brown springbok. It's completely brown, no other coloration. We can take a walk up that side and see if we get that far. Let's go. Finally we get to see some impala. They blend in so well with the winter foliage. You can barely see them. Like you say, impies. I don't know where I picked up some followers. Passed them earlier and now they're trying to keep up with me. So yeah, let's see how this goes. They're trying to catch me. But I think I'm a little bit, my pace is a bit too much for them. So let's see. Approaching the dam wall now. See when it's rainy season how the water just flows over here. It's crazy. It's still a constant flow even though there hasn't been rain. I don't know if you can see the elevation climb here. But quite hectic on a bike. Even just walking it is quite a mission. Should increase my heart rate quite nicely coming up here. When I get to the top, I'll turn around and show you where I've just come from. Maybe have to give you a better perspective. Look at that. Straight down. Yeah. Uphill after uphill after uphill. This side, I call it dark side of the moon. But yeah, that next plateau at least. You can see the elevation change already from just now to now. Look how much higher I am compared to, what, 2 minutes ago? Once we get closer and closer to the top, the view from here is quite magnificent. Almost at the top. That tree there's the top. So anyone wants to join me? Comment and you like. Exchange details and arrange times. glad to take anyone for more of an adventure around here. So I know the place quite well. Where shall we go to from here? No real pathways leading up that way. There is this one here. I'm sure I'll make my way to the ones down there. Yeah, let's go. Pathway runs around there, behind the trees. Yeah, who's with me? Let's go. On the section of the Black Route here. This is why I call it the dark side of the moon. Gets quite technical. Lots of climbs like downhills like this, and then it leads you into a steep uphill climb. Let's get some speed going up here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's crazy. It's just not well used. Luckily I know this trail because I've done it before. Into the valley. Oh, I'll have to have my wits about me if I decide to do this again. Where do we go from here? Let's see. This is really not going to be fun. Well, not for me at least. Still exploring, but I ain't liking this at all. No wonder not many people actually do the Black Route. It gets rather hectic. Even just walking it is quite a challenge. Building up quite a sweat, yeah? And we're back on the road. Hi guys, let's keep going. Final stretch along the water's edge. Should reach my goal of 5Ks, and yeah, should maybe do it in about an hour. It's not too bad. Hey duck. Lovely scenery. It's a bit cool today, but still not enough. Thanks for joining me. I'll post some more later. It's all easy in the water. Are they fish eagles? Looks like it. You're a fish eagle? There are fish eagles, yeah. They are a little bit too far. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the walk. I'm almost back home. Thank you for watching. It's time for Red Bull. Yeah, this is the big boy, 473 miles. That's me out for now. Sure, did my 5Ks in under an hour. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a like, subscribe, and share.